so cool.
Dude, I tell you, man. It's one mother for you, though.
Babe,
Hmm.
I tried a chia pudding bowl yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta try that shit, dude. It's so good.
Chia pudding.
I think you would like it. It's like something sweet but like healthy.
Interesting.
So you soak the chia seeds in oatmeal, or not oatmeal, coconut milk, right?
Yeah.
Then get all stir them up.
Yeah.
Then you add a little bit of oatmeal and quinoa,
Mm.
like soft though, not hard, like you should add it in, mix it, and then you add some yogurt, Greek yogurt.
Yeah.
You can, and then some granola on top, some berries,
Manny's.
some blueberries, some strawberries, and banana with a drizzle of honey.
Bro, necky, bro. Been grinding, dog. Grinding, bro. Nah, dude. So, I don't know if you've seen my recent video, bro. I kind of broke it down why I stepped away for a year. Long story short, the job I had then, they made me, and it's really a long story, bro. But within that time, I had to find another position. I had to, you know, invest any amount of time that I did have into trading, learning, so that way I could come back and be way better, bro. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out, bro. You'll kind of see the leap I took in trading as far as knowledge. It's crazy. It's pretty tight. I'm sorry, you're saying?
My chia bowl.
You chill, boy. Chia. We'll try it. Sounds good. USD news. Yeah. What up, Gustav? What up? Really? That's kind of fire, huh? Oh, dope. That's fire, bro. That's what's up. That's honestly tight. You think I need to try it? Alright, I'll have to try it. Or are you? I didn't see you like a year, bro. Were you able to hear me, gang? Man. Right now, that's a great freaking question. We have 5 people in here right now. What up, gangsters? Oh, that's tight, gangster. 5 people. Yeah, Neki, bro. We uh, we back, dog. We're gonna be live streaming Monday through Friday. I'm gonna buy a challenge probably tomorrow, bro. And then we're gonna live stream the challenge. We're gonna get funded, dog. It's about damn time. You know what I'm saying? All right, we hit external range. Internal USD CAD. I'm anticipating the next candle will likely open, create the high. We'll look for a sell to sell off. So USD CAD, we're gonna look at that one. Let me uncheck these ones. Let's look at AUD USD. See what we got going on here, gang. Gangsta. Humbug. Yeah, we got 3 gangsters in here right now. That's what's up. Alright, so we just ran out external range liquidity on AUD USD on the 4 hours, so I'm going to be waiting for the 15-minute to market structure shift bullish, which it looks like it's already done, kind of. Pretty much that. This is the mitigation market structure shift. Got a mitigation block right here. Price is retracing into that. There's a small little fair value gap right here. Retracing though. That retracement there could potentially be what we're looking for to look for a 1 minute bullish opportunity, but we'll have to wait and see. Just to be certain, you know? So I'll stay away from AU. Euro USD also just ran out external range liquidity to the left. So with the external range liquidity to the left, man, have to see with this one. Let's see, I want to make sure that my volume sounds good, bruh. Check, check, 1, 2. Yeah. Alright, cool. Yeah, it sounds good. It sounds decent. What y'all looking at this morning? Who's trading with me? We about to catch some trades together? What's up, gang? We need this 15-minute to market structure shift bearish before we even look for anything here. So Euro USD, we ain't got no setup yet. We haven't looked at UJ. Let's look at UJ. And UJ is just melting, dog. UJ needs to market structure shift bullish, bro. On the 15-minute. Let's see. It didn't market structure shift necessarily right here. It held. And then it created a mitigation shift right here. Mitigation market structure shift right here on this close. I don't know, bro. I don't know. This one's a little fishy, like the ones in the ocean, dog. Right now, and USD CAD is the only one looking good. See, we checked AU, UCAD, UJ. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what USD CHF is doing. Damn, bro, everything's at a low. Everything is just melting, dog. On my Lanta, bro. The only thing that's given like a decent setup is potentially USD CAD. So we're gonna probably focus on USD CAD this morning. Which other trash? Uh huh. I was thinking the same thing. Low key. What y'all doing this morning? What y'all looking at? Yeah. Right on. Right on. We're looking at USD CAD. We're gonna look for a short sell. Yeah. You can roll it. It's the 9 o'clock. This is the 9 o'clock open. So what we want to see now is we want to see price come above here. We want to see it tap into either a fair value gap or even come all the way up in liquidity turtle soup right here. After that, we will look for a sell setup, my gang. Yes, sir, skitties. Yes, sir, skitties. Y'all doing good this morning? Y'all chilling? Y'all vibing? Yo, y'all see these crypto markets, bro? These crypto markets are getting they are getting bro, these crypto markets are getting wrecked, bro. Shit. Bro, I be trading meme coins. Bro, Solana's down. And since Solana's down, all these meme coins are down. Hey, bro, my best advice: buy some Solana because they're super cheap right now, and load up on these meme coins, bro. Conviction bags. It's gonna be motherfucking Sigma. Sigma is a conviction bag, bro. Sigma is fire, dog. What up, Nick? Nick243. Shout out to you, gang. How you doing? You vibing? You chilling, man? So we got Sigma. Aura is another high conviction coin. If you don't understand why these are high conviction or what's going on with them, bro, you gotta go check out my YouTube video, man. Go check out the YouTube video. You'll understand exactly why these are conviction coins. Selfie. Yeah, these are high conviction coins right here, bro. Right here, I just made a little watch list. Strong conviction coins, bro. I'm heavily invested in Sigma. I'm heavily invested in Selfie. I'm heavily invested in Aura. During the time you were gone, what exactly did you study? So I studied, I'll show you exactly who I studied, bro. I studied because honestly, bro, ICT, he'll waste your whole fucking life away, bro. The MMXM trader. I studied the MMXM traders course. I watched all of his videos. I studied his whole course. Um, Romeo, CRT. I studied Romeo, CRT, the turtle soup. I studied the hell out of his course as well. Bro, I studied from these two guys alone. These two guys know the markets, bro, to a T. I studied a little bit of Sir Pickle, but truthfully, I just stuck to Romeo and I just stuck to the MMXM trader. I learned MMXMs. I learned advanced turtle soups. I learned exactly how the markets move and what they worked. Have you watched both of his courses? I don't because he released another one if I'm not mistaken. I only watched the first one. His first original course was the one that I watched. I haven't got his new one just because I don't feel the need for it, bro. Because at this point, I like to keep my trading super basic and simple, and they made it super simple and basic for me, bro. So I learned from these guys here, and flowers to them, but that's what I did with my time away was I went and I studied them. I studied honestly, I didn't study any ICT himself, bro. I didn't watch any ICT videos whatsoever. I looked for ICT's best students and I looked for their videos and keeping it simple and like keeping the rants out and just so that way I could cut my trading time in half, bro. Because ICT, he he talks a lot, bro, and he does it on purpose. So you sit through all of that, helps with his money and all that, bro. Yeah, bro, that's where I was. That's what I was doing, and also what I was doing was I was learning about meme coins, Solana meme coins, on X, bro. There's been a lot of trending, like there's freaking 16-year-olds turning $50 into 20 racks on X, bro, and I'm like, damn, dude, I can't even believe that's even possible. And so they they pretty much, it's pretty crazy what they got going on X, dude. I was like, I watched the first course of the MMXM trader and Zeus's MMXM's mentorship. That's fire, bro. I thought about Zeus's too, but I didn't feel the need for it, bro. Just because like the MMXM trader, he just has it down packed solid. I didn't feel the need to have to like go out and venture more. The only one that I went and ventured more was Romeo because of the candle range theory, bro. It was different than MMXM, and I had to figure it out. And I understand candle range theory now, and that's what I kind of use now in a way. I don't necessarily like use it to a T, but I use pieces of it to try to like predict what the next candle closure or the next candle's reach is gonna be, if that makes sense, bro. But you focus more on indices now. I'd like to I'd like to focus more on indices too, but I love Forex, bro. Forex is just feels like where I was born and raised. That makes sense. That's why you watch Zusi. I feel you. That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. What's up, Daisy? Daisy. Daisy. So I assume you trade MMXMs as well, Nick? What time frame alignment do you like to choose? Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Keep Clicking is another strong conviction coin that a lot of people talk about. It's only at 290 market cap. It hit 2 mil market cap before. This is like a really fire buy right now in my opinion. I ain't in there. I might just have to load up one M15M 4 hour. That's what I like to use too, bro. That's what I like as well. I'll rock with the 4 hour 15M and 1M. But if I'm trading like the London daily open at midnight, then I'm gonna use the daily 1 hour 5 minute. Try to trade the trend and 50 to 10 macro. That makes sense, bro. I'm over all those macros and all those kill zones and all that stuff. It overcomplicates trading, bro. That's honestly too much. Paying attention, like to say that your setup has to happen within a certain time window of like 20 minutes, and this is just my personal opinion, and to invalidate your setup just because it happens outside of that window is just it's kind of wrong to me, bro, because then your setup has the potential of working. You know what I mean? And it's just like I could have took the trade, bro. Like I like to keep it simple because realistically, you have a simple model. Take every setup that aligns with your model as simple as possible because truthfully, it's not our model that works in the trading, it's our risk management that works in trading, bro. As long as you manage your risk and your wins are bigger than your losses, long term you will be profitable, bro. It's just a matter of fact, dog. And that's why like having this macro and then having this tiny window of where it'll happen. I'm not a believer anymore, bro. That shit's all gibberish to me. I feel like that's all a conspiracy. But if it works for you, I'm never knocking it. Run with it. But I had to take that out of my trading personally. I'm like, yeah, nah, bro, that's too much for me. That's overcomplicating my trading personally. So really trade making around 45, 10, 15. No, that's not how we use the phrase drain time and 50 introduction short and reversal happens. But do you know why that happens, bro? Like, it's all specific to the 9 a.m. candle, bro. The 9 a.m. 4 hour candle. It's all specific to that 9 a.m. candle, bro. I feel you. It's something you notice. Hey, bro, like I mentioned, I'm never knocking anything, dog. I'm never knocking it. If it works for you and whatever runs with it, even having some not restrict. Good, bro. Don't restrict yourself. Because you might miss out on some good opportunities just by restricting yourself. Too many rules prevents too many opportunities to hit for you, you know? Let's see. Keep clicking. I was looking up another one. What was it? It was Kia. Kiev is another conviction coin. Kiev is the first cat of its time. At 10, new 4 hour, 1 hour candle open, so there's option retracements. I think it's the only real macro. Interesting, interesting. It's fire, bro. It's fire. Good work, good work. Are you profitable now and do you still trade prop firms? In my mind, I'm profitable. I truly believe that I am profitable. I just haven't put it on paper, if that makes sense, bro. Like, just because I haven't traded live for y'all, I haven't put it on paper, if that makes sense. So, I'm not trading with the prop firm. I'm gonna buy a challenge and I'm gonna put it on paper live for all of you to see, so that way y'all can see that I truly am profitable. Cause I know I'm profitable, bro, but I just don't have it on paper. So I'm gonna put it on paper for y'all so you can see it for yourselves and we can run with that, dog. But developed a lot of mature trading skills and stuff. Definitely got it going. Let's see if she comes up, bro. If USD CAD doesn't give us like a move within the first hour to hour and a half, bro, that's whenever I'm like, it's probably not gonna happen, honestly. So we'll see what happens with her. We will see what happens with her. Let's go see real quick. USD. Damn, really, bro? Man, Nick, I'll trade live next month. That's fire, bro. Hey, we gonna get back on it, gang. We are gonna get back on it, man. Yeah, AUD exactly. Yeah, so I had that mitigation market structure shift, retraced, and it turtle stooped. That moment, that was 1 minute. 1 minute opportunity was there. We missed it, but it's not. It was kind of risky. I like to be conservative with my trading, where I do my trade breakdowns and stuff. Yeah, bro, do it, do it, do it. If you want to blow up on YouTube, bro, be different for sure. Cause like one thing I notice is that people who post just trade breakdowns and all of that stuff, they don't get views on their channel. I don't know why people aren't trying to watch that. I like to watch it. I like to see people's point of view. But you gotta be entertaining, bro. You gotta be exciting, get hype, get lit. I know we gotta keep our emotions in check, but you wanna be entertaining. Whenever you lose, get pissed. Yeah, say fuck. Whenever you win, get hyped. Yeah, be like fuck yeah. You know what I mean? Just get lit. Be entertaining. And bro, you'll end up blowing up. You'll be a badass trader in the space, dude. I'd watch that shit. I'll be like, that's fucking lit. He's just one of 6R. He's fucking lit right now, dog. That's tight. That's tight. I'd get all hype, bro. And then if you lose, I'd be like, fuck, dog. I feel his pain. If you're all yelling, you're like, fuck. No, I'd be like, oh, I feel his pain, dog. You know what I mean? Bro, I'm telling you. Just be different, bro. Be different than the normal breakdown stuff. AUD is going up into internal range liquidity, but we gotta wait for a 15-minute market structure shift bearish to even look for some, so that's probably not even gonna happen anytime soon. USD CAD, we're just still waiting for that one. Euro USD, And we got a lot to retrace in this one, man. A lot to retrace in this one. Why are these so different? GBP USD, these look like two different ass fucking. There's divergence here and everything. Let's see, bro. 15-minute. Look, bro, look. There might be a setup here on GU. But if I'm late, I'm obviously not even going. But we took out external range here, retraced, try to take out. Now we're moving up. Honestly, though, I wanted to do it more like a YouTube trade journal for myself, and I don't really care about subscribers and views. Now that you say it, blowing up on YouTube would sound nice, though. Facts, dog, facts. It would sound nice because initially that's exactly why I started YouTube too. You could go back to probably my first video, and it's literally me just breaking down trades for myself, and I literally say it in the video. This is for myself, for me to look back on, and all of that. And bro, I started gaining traction, and then my whole like way of doing YouTube kind of changed. So I was like, nah, you know what? I'm not just doing this for myself. I'm also doing this for the gang. So it's it's a different perspective that you develop whenever you actually start doing it because you might do it initially for this and then it turns into something else. You know what I mean? Blowing up on YouTube would be tight though, bro. Because if you're making that YouTube money, you could reinvest that YouTube money into your trading, and then you could have more trading capital, bro. And then you can make bigger trades, bro. And people love to see those big trades, dog. I love to see big trades, dog. If you're making 10 racks on one trade, that's freaking sick, bro. If you're making 100 racks on a trade, bro, that's freaking nuts, bro. And I've seen it done. It's freaking crazy. I get so hyped, dude. Just seeing it. It's freaking awesome. It's very possible, bro. It is. It truly is. Could be a setup on GU if we were still bearish, which we technically could still be if we were right here. Now, why would we be bearish, right? Yeah, I know, I know, I know. I know. But if you notice, this leg right here on GU, there's a lot of SMT here, bro. A lot of SMT here. You know what I mean? And with the SMT, bro, GU was already expanding from internal range towards external range. This last candle right here closed below, left a wick. This next candle closed within. This candle was turtle souping that candle, likely to potentially come down, take out this low, and this low is just how I'm looking at it. So if I'm looking at it that way, we can drop to the 15-minute and see that we're also in this fair value gap that's low-key getting respected. And because of this, bro, we're going to drop to the 1 minute. Let's see if there's going to be a market structure shift that happens bearish. Daily bearish, change in state of delivery plus equal lows at the lows. Yeah, bro, equal lows at the lows. But USD is fundamentally weak, so I don't know if I was sure to. I feel you, I feel you. Bro, see, fundamentals, that's starting to complicate my trading, dog. Out the window for me, bro. If it works for you, run with it. But yeah, dog, not for me. I ain't even gonna bother with that one. If I see a setup happen, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna make sure that my risk is managed. And long term, I'm just gonna look for bigger wins and losses. But right now, I'm gonna look for a GU 1 minute short opportunity. Potentially, if I get fucked, I get fucked. It's part of the trading game. And you might be right, Nick. We'll have to see what's up, man. Well, we're looking for the 1 minute on this one. Let's see how's USD CAD doing. You want to see it go up? Only look at Forex on the 15-minute chart as my lowest entry time frame. Only trade 1 minute on NAS and ES. Why is that, bro? Why is that? What makes you not go any lower? The fundamentals are more important. Interesting stuff, bro. Now, do you say the fundamentals are more important because that's what you were taught, or is it from personal experience? Is it that something that you've experienced and that you know for a fact, or is it something that Zusi or MMXM or somebody else said? Because that's where knowledge gaps differentiate. You know what I mean? Maybe one day, whenever I experience more fundamentals, maybe I'll start considering them more. But I don't experience them for nada, bro. I don't even think they're present half the time, dog. Personally, just because like my mind's focused on what I'm supposed to look for. You know what I mean? Forex moves way worse on the one end when you compare it to Nas. Yeah, I guess so, bro. It's just like Nas and all of that, dog. It's just so predictable too. At the same time, you 100% experienced yourself. All right, word, word, word. All right, man. Well, shit. She, she's a little bug. Well, good, man. Like I said, I'm never knocking you for anything. What works for you, run with it, bro. What works for others, let them run with it. And we have to let each other develop as traders. You know what I mean? Like, we all have to experience everything. We all have to trade. We all have to, like, feel the emotions, feel the fundamentals, feel like all of that. You know what I mean? We all have to experience those details. You know what I mean? So, Nas has way cleaner trends on the 1 minute. I believe it, bro. Just truly Nas, S&P, freaking the Dow. I just don't trade them, bro. I don't trade the minis. I don't care for any of that stuff. I don't. Like I mentioned earlier, I was born and raised into the Forex markets, and all I need is one market, truthfully. I don't want to extend myself any worse than that. Is GBP USD a 15-minute CRT now? I'd say it's more so yeah, you could say it's a 15-minute CRT. I'm looking at it as a 4-hour CRT too, though. So this candle right here, like the way that I'm seeing it is external range liquidity. It took out and it retraced into internal range liquidity, respected the fair value gap right there, and now it's headed towards external range liquidity, right? Engineered some liquidity lows right here. Right now, this big black candle closed below this candle, and because it closed below, I'm likely anticipating lower prices. But with this candle closing within, it created a range or consolidation. And now with this green candle wicking above it, it's pretty much rating the high of the range slash consolidation on the lower time frame. And with that, that's a turtle soup because it's an advanced turtle soup in my eyes because it's in the direction of the higher time frame. And so because of that, you'll see that 15-minute consolidation right here is getting ran out. And because of that, that's why I'm looking for that short opportunity. But we have to see, we have to see. Yeah, it could be a 15-minute CRT here, but we have to check it out, man. How's USD CAD doing? Nice. We have a fair value gap up here that we wanted to tap into. Boom, 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 boom. We'll see how that goes. All right, GU, let's show us what you're working with. So we see the up push. I would like to see it, honestly. This is a little risky. I'd like to see it close below this one for me. We'll see what happens here, bro. We will see what happens, bro. I'm going to take a piss real quick. I'll be right back. All right. Had to take a quick leak, man. Had to take a quick leak, man. All right. So if this candle closes below here, that's gonna be sexy. And then this we would consider the last up close right here. Our mitigation block is how I would consider it. I'd consider this my mitigation block. So if I tapped into it, that'd be tight. Because the only fair value gap that I see is like right here. And I want to assure myself entry, right? So I'm going to enter off the first point of entry that gets tapped into. I'm also wanting to start incorporating like fair value, like inverted fair value gaps too, like inversion fair value gaps, like this one right here, potentially. See how it was respected in the past? Now it just got breached. So because it got breached, you know, it's now whenever a fair value gap that held bullish prices in the past gets reached, it gives you idea that hey, price is going bearish potentially. You know what I mean? The market structure shift can be very subjective too. Market structure shift could have been this point right here. But personally, I find that a little risky. The reason why is just because of how it had that push and broke this high, retraced a little bit, created a new 3 candle wick swing low while creating that 3 candle wick swing high, and then it pushed again. So, I mean, maybe you could look at it like that, but the way that I'm looking at it is like this was a legit swing, personally, in my eyes. No worry, Nick Main. I appreciate you sticking around, gang. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Good luck to you in your trading. Come back soon. Yeah, see. We'll see what's up. We'll see what's up. You're right now. Just tapped into that tiny little mini fair value gap right here. Tiny little one. Let's see what happens, y'all. See what happens. Cool, Nick. I look forward to it, gang. That's awesome. That's exciting. We'll see you then. I'll take this off. See what USD CAD's doing. Nice. This tapped into that 15-minute FVG. This is what we like to see. You want to see a 1 minute market structure shift, which I wouldn't count this candle market structure shifting point. I count this one personally. Again, it's all subjective, but from personal experience, I always go with the one that's kind of further than the one that's like right here. This would be like little turtle soup because it'll probably fly and take out this high. I know I won't be seeing the future or anything, dog, but you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's all really fucking red. Who else is in here, man? Y'all vibing, y'all chilling, y'all trying to catch some trades together or what? Legends are made buying these dips. We're gonna be legends, bro. We're buying the shit out of these dips, bro. By Keith. Keith is the first cat of its kind, dog. I'm gonna load Keith up, honestly. I'm gonna drop like 10 Solana and Keith, dog. And get rich off of Keith. Not financial advice. Let's see, bro. You wanna come over down here? I doubt you do. I doubt you do. That's a little far. Set an alert right here. Set an alert right here. Let's swing down this a little bit. Swing to this a little bit. Cool. So that way, while we're looking at G, you will know if USD CAD is doing something. You know? You know? You know better. That's a cute video. My baby boy. I can never get rid of that dog. I can never get rid of him. All right, you 5 people that are in here. It's all right. It's all right that you don't want to talk. I understand. Oh, look, USD CAD. All right, all right. That's a valid market structure shift for me, dog. This up close candle right here. This would be my block. This is where I'm gonna look for a sell. Some already. Good to see you back, bro. Good luck, good trading. Hey, David, what up, man? Good to see you in here. I appreciate that. Damn, bro, it's been a while. I was just saying in my other video the other day, don't even feel like it's been that long, dude. It feels like I was just streaming with y'all a couple weeks ago, no lie. Time flies though, bro. It's crazy. Crazy, bro. It is absolutely insane. But let's see what it do, man. That's our entry right there. So we are going to take entry right there. Stops will go above this high. We're going to just round it to 11 pips. Okay. Now why did I enter here? Because this was my market structure shift point. This last down close candle before the up move is my breaker block. And I'm going to target previous 4-hour lows, which are going to be right here and ultimately over here. Okay, but right here is where I'm exactly targeting. Okay. But you know me, I like a solid 1 to 2 R, so I'm going to set it for a 1 to 2 R. I take nothing less. So, and I don't move to break even. I don't do none of that. And this right here, if you've seen the last videos or the last live trading video, I should say, we took on, it was USD JPY whenever we were trading. I think I had deleted it on USD JPY, but I'll have to pull it back up from the other videos. We're actually at break even right now, technically, if we were keeping track of a 10K in account. And we're at break even, so this trade that we just took is at a 1% risk, ideally. GBP USD, not given any setup so far, it looks like. It respected that market structure shifting point, like I said. Didn't close below, and now it's flying. So wait on that, stay away for now. But USD CAD is already looking very, very juicy, my friends. Let's see if we hit this 1 to 2. We'll be up a 2% on the pretend 10K account. Okay. And with the meme coins, dog, Keith. What's another one? What was the other fucking? Let me see. It is. I'm trying to find the conviction coins, bro. Conviction. Hey, thanks. I appreciate it. Yes, I definitely do. Uh-huh. I appreciate that. Yeah, yeah, certainly do. Certainly do. I agree with that. Billy is another conviction coin, y'all. Billy went crazy whenever it first released. It released a month ago, and the all-time high is sitting at 240 million market cap, bro. And it's currently sitting at 40 million market cap, bro. This is so free, dude. This is such a free, like 40, 80. Dude, this is an easy like Forex right here, bro. It's free. It's so free. It's so crazy. This is another great conviction coin that I'm gonna start loading my bags into and holding for the long term. The cool thing about meme coins, y'all, is that meme coins, there's the blockchain that I'm trading them with is Solana. And like with Solana in our world, Solana is like currently I think trading at $130 per crypto coin. And if you could load up on Solana and then Solana long term goes up to like hundreds, $200 or so, that's gaining on Solana. That's gaining on your investment in the real world. Now, if you invest your Solana into a meme coin and the meme coin gains 4x, 5x, 10x, etc., then in the meme coins, the Solana is gaining. So it's bro. I kind of say it's like the S&P 500 on steroids, bro. I think it's crazy and it's so free, dude. It's insane. Nub. Nubcat is another conviction coin. This one came out 3 months ago. All-time highs, bro. We look at the daily chart. All-time highs, bro. Sitting at 200 million. and currently sitting at 12 million, bro. This is so free, dude. 22,000 holders, the top holder. They're holding $500,000 in this coin, bro. Do you really think they're gonna sell their bag, bro? Absolutely not, dog. They are holding 500,000 in this coin, dog. That's a conviction coin for you, dog. USD CAD nearly hit our 1 to 2R, bro. That's freaking beautiful. What a setup. What a trade. We're in there like swimwear. Yeah, good style. You know what it is, man. Yes, sir, skitties. Look, I don't know if you can see the little. You probably can't. But I'm in different Telegram chats, and they're telling you get selfie while it's curling, and others too, bro. Buy the dips, bro. You can't be scared to buy the dips, dude. Everybody who's selling, dude, instead of loading up, you got a dollar cost average in, bro. On these dips, DCA in, bro. Don't get scared of the dip. Buy the dip. That's okay. It's coming up. It hit external range liquidity. It's gonna retrace into internal range liquidity now. Give it a couple of areas where it's all right that I'm okay with it going. Regardless, I'm not gonna move my stop loss. I'm not gonna close the trade. It's technically like a set it forget it position. It's either gonna go to my stop loss or it's gonna go to my take profit. It's looking like it's gonna go to take profit though, truthfully. I'm gonna pull up my what we're looking at it. Let's go pull up from the last video on YouTube. Oh, look at IC3 is trading too. If y'all are in here right now and not watching ICT, y'all are a real one. That's what's up. That's crazy. That's tight. Gangster. No, we in there like swimwear out. But we're right here. We're live trading it here.
Looking.
Let's see, bro. I just want to find out how much we're at the end right here. Yeah, here we are. Okay, here we are. So, I'm gonna write it right down here. 10K. We took 4 trades. 1, 2, 3. So first trade was minus 1%. Second trade was minus 0.5%. Third trade we're about to hit take profit percent. Just kidding. Third trade was plus 0.5%. Fourth trade was plus 0.5%. Trade was plus 0.5%. We had a fifth trade in there, if I'm not mistaken, and we just hit TP. That's a 1 to 2R right there, baby. So we are currently up 2% on the account in total right now. So right
You are
here.
beautiful. You are worthy. You are a child of God. Sorry, I had to rush in.
for 0.5%. 0. Me too, thank you. Yeah, because then we had another one. We had a fifth trade. That fifth trade, we made another plus 0.5%. Right? And then that's what put us at break even equals 0%. And now with this one, since we just hit that 1 to 2R, we are now sixth trade plus 2% equals up 2%. All right, all right, all right. Gangster. All right, y'all. That's gonna be the trading session, honestly, y'all. I am done trading now. That's good stuff. Yeah, GBP USD is still going. Still going. Seeing there's so much SMT divergence here, I'm almost certain that GBP USD is gonna short, bro. It's gonna short at some point. I don't know if it's gonna be within this candle or the next candle, but it's about to short soon. Still doing good in trading, I see. You already know what it is, bro. CED. Yes, sir. I think I'm gonna go with funding pips, bro. Y'all remember I was with the, which one was it? I forget who I was with, bro. 5%ers? No, I forget. I forget which one it was, but they got shut down, dude. They got shut down, bro. I think I'm gonna do funding pips. I'm gonna probably buy it tonight so we could trade it live tomorrow, bro. Since obviously we can still trade live like some freaking G's and whatever. But right here, yeah, I like funding pips, bro. I'd probably go with them. I was showing y'all some conviction coins before we just caught our setups. Omni, another conviction coin. These are just like they've established themselves, you know what I mean? They're established coins at this point. Just keep going, mate. I will, bro. You already know what it is. I appreciate you. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. Especially while ICT himself is live. If y'all are in here watching this, that's fire, bro. I really do appreciate you guys. It's really tight. Right now, you on my list of unknown warriors of trading. That's what's up, bro. That's exactly what we are. That's sick. Very cool stuff. Yeah, y'all. Well, I hope you guys learned something this morning. It just to kind of break down that trade that we just caught, why we took it really quick for y'all. So, starting from the higher time frame, 4-hour time frame, this is exactly what I was looking at. Let me delete this alert. So on the 4-hour, right here, I like to start with internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. What is the next strong liquidity? Right here, you see that we just took out external range liquidity with this leg up, took out external range, retraced into this fair value gap, aka internal range liquidity. Then we expanded from that point into external range liquidity. And from that wick down with this big black candle, it closed below this wick. I'd consider that a market structure shift, and the way that this black candle closed below this wick right here, I'm predicting lower prices. So from that point, I'm going to take into consideration the open high low close, and that's what I'm going to look for, is to get in on the high to catch to the low and exit on that point before the close. um, it's afternoon for me. That's nice, man. To be trading in the afternoon at this time, that's lovely, dude. I gotta wake up at like 6 in the morning, which I'm not complaining, but still, bruh, it's not very fun at all. I'm live streaming right now. Yeah, we're live trading, Forex trading. Yep. We made 2% gain on 10K account, Bobby. That's awesome, huh? Right now, 6 people are watching. That's pretty cool, huh? Really? That last year I was averaging about 100 people in the live stream. It was pretty cool. Yeah, yeah. Peak was like 130 something. I don't know if you guys remember. I'm sure some of y'all were here for that. Y'all were in there for sure. I know that's a fact, but that was crazy. But yeah, so I was expecting the open high. I was looking for the entry on the high to get in for the low. Now, since I know my 4 hour higher time frame direction and what I'm looking for, I'm going to drop to the 15 minute and I'm looking for internal range liquidity for the high to retrace into. That's going to be that um, pretty much that manipulation. If y'all are familiar with AMD, it goes hand in hand with open, high, low, close. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. The open of the candle is accumulation, the high of the candle is that manipulation that I'm looking for to enter on, and then the distribution, that's what we're looking for to get that profit. Okay, so right here we see the open was this 9 a.m. candle opened. We got the high wick into internal range liquidity, a fair value gap. Once we got that, we went to the 1 minute time frame. We looked for our market structure shift, and it was right here at this wick here. The last 3 candle wicks swing low before that last move. Okay, and of course it could be that breaker market structure shift, how I like to refer to it, or that mitigation market structure shift, how I refer to it. Okay, and with this one, this was a breaker market structure shift, and right here, as soon as it market structure shifted, closed below that wick, price tapped right back into that breaker and immediately melted from that point, and that was our entry, and that was our take profit right down here, 1 to 2. Beautiful trade, very simple, very clean. I love it. I like keeping it simple now. It's very easy for me. I feel you, just waiting and working for the time when I can choose when to trade. Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly. You gotta find the time, bro. That's what I love about the open high low close and like my approach to trading now is because realistically you could trade whenever. I just recommend trading either during the London or the New York time sessions. I don't care about kill zones anymore. Truly, I work off of candles. Bless you. I work off of candles. So if I'm trading like a 4 hour candle, the 9 a.m., the 5 a.m., the 1 a.m., it doesn't matter, the 1 p.m., or if I'm trading like the daily candle. You know what I mean? If I'm trading the daily candle, I'm going to trade the open of the daily candle, which is at midnight. So I'm going to trade the London session. If I'm trading the 4 hour candle, I'm going to trade New York session, like we just did now. Sometimes I'll trade like the 5 a.m., but that's 3 a.m. my time. So sometimes I probably won't do that. Maybe if I got a day off and I want to trade all night, maybe we'll trade the London daily. We'll trade the 3 a.m., 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. It's so funny, bro. There's just so much opportunities in trading, dude. But that's why I love my approach because I can trade any candle realistically. Once I have a bias and direction, I can just go with it, run with it, and it's pretty easy for me at this point. But I hope you guys learned something from this live trading session. I hope you guys learned something from that breakdown. If y'all do have any questions, feel free to comment them. I'll see you guys